Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I reset my Virgin remote control? How to reset the Virgin TV remote. Hold the TV and clear buttons together until the light at the top of the remote flashes green twice. Press the thumbs down button 3 times. Press OK. The light at the top of the remote will flash green. After 10 seconds the remote will revert to infrared mode. Why is my Virgin remote control not working? Remove and reinsert the batteries in the remote to make sure the connection is secure. You may need new batteries if the current ones have died. If the remote has stopped controlling the volume and you're using our silver and black remote, check out the guide to using Digital Plus remote to control volume. How do I fix my TiVo remote? Try resetting the remote control address so that it will control any box. To reset the remote control address, hold down the pause and TiVo buttons for 5 seconds, until the red light, amber light for Premier remotes, on the remote comes on. Use the number buttons to enter 0. How do you pair a remote to a TV? Press the Quick Settings button on the remote control. Select Settings. The next steps will depend on your TV menu options. Select Remotes and Accessories, Remote Control, Connect via Bluetooth or Activate button. Select Remote Control, Connect via Bluetooth. Select Voice Remote Control, Activate button. How do I set up my TiVo remote? Program your remote. From the TiVo central screen, select Settings and Messages. Choose Remote, Cable Card, and Devices. Choose Remote Control Setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to program your remote. Complete Part 1 to control your TV's power, volume, and mute functions.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.